Hey everyone, welcome back to The Quiet Journey. Today we're taking a peaceful walk through downtown Canmore, one of the most charming mountain towns in Alberta. If you've been here before, you know that parking can sometimes be a bit of an adventure. But don't worry, there are plenty of public parking spots near Main Street, by Elevation Place, and along 8th Street. Just remember where you parked, or you might end up exploring a few extra blocks of Canmore. Downtown Canmore is full of cozy mountain houses, cute boutique shops, and cafes that always smell amazing. You'll find local art, handmade gifts, and some of the best coffee in the Rockies. The streets are lined with beautiful wooden buildings surrounded by breathtaking mountain views. It's a calm, friendly place where every corner feels like a postcard. So grab your jacket, get comfy, and join me for a quiet stroll through downtown Canmore. Let's go see what makes this town so special. As we make our way onto Main Street here in downtown Canmore, the atmosphere instantly feels welcoming and peaceful. The street is lined with charming wooden buildings, cozy cafes, and small shops that give this town its warm, mountain town character. No matter the season, Main Street always has a calm energy, a place where you can slow down, grab a cup of coffee, and just watch the world go by. On both sides of the street, you'll find local boutiques selling handmade art, mountain gear, and unique souvenirs. Everything here feels personal, like each shop has its own little story to tell. If you're hungry, there's no shortage of great food either, from fresh baked pastries to locally roasted coffee and cozy restaurants. It's the kind of place where every aroma makes you second-guess your diet. The people here are friendly and relaxed. Everyone seems to be in a good mood. Maybe it's the mountain air or just the beauty all around. As you walk, look up for a moment. The views of the surrounding mountains are absolutely breathtaking. Howling Peak and the Three Sisters stand tall in the distance, framing the town like a perfect backdrop. It's amazing how a simple stroll down the street can make you forget about busy schedules and city noise. Here, even the quiet feels alive. Whether you're visiting for the first time or returning again and again, downtown Canmore always has something new to offer. A new shop, a new smile, or just a new reason to fall in love with this place. Let's keep walking down Main Street and soak in the calm rhythm of mountain life. One step, one breath, and one peaceful moment at a time. As we walk further down Main Street, it's easy to feel the character of this town. Every building, every storefront has a story to tell. Canmore wasn't always the cozy mountain town we see today. Back in the late 1800s, it was a hard-working mining settlement. Coal was the heart of the community, and the mountains weren't just scenic. They were the source of life and labor for the people who lived here. Main Street was the center of it all, a gathering place where miners and their families would meet, shop, and share stories after long days underground. You can still sense that old town charm when you walk here, even though the town has transformed over the years. In 1979, the last coal mine closed, marking the end of an era. For a while, Canmore was quiet, almost too quiet. But then, the 1988 Winter Olympics changed everything. When Calgary hosted the Games, Canmore became a base for cross-country skiing, and that brought new energy and life into this little town. Slowly, Main Street shifted from serving miners to welcoming travelers, artists, and dreamers from around the world. Old buildings were restored, new cafes opened, and the town began to grow. Not in a hurry, but in harmony with the mountains around it. Today, when you walk down Main Street, you're walking through more than a shopping area. You're walking through layers of history. Each corner, each wooden storefront carries echoes of Canmore's past, blended with the creative spirit of today. It's amazing how a town that started from coal and hard work has turned into a place that celebrates peace, nature, and community. That's what makes Canmore truly special. Its history lives quietly in every view, every smile, and every step we take along this street. As we continue our quiet walk through downtown Canmore, it's hard not to think about how this little mountain town fits into the bigger story of Alberta, and even Canada itself. In the late 1800s, when Canada was still young and growing westward, the railway was expanding across the country. It brought new settlers, new opportunities, and new towns, and Canmore was one of them. The discovery of coal here in 1886 transformed this peaceful valley into a bustling mining community. The Canadian Pacific Railway ran right through town, carrying coal that helped fuel Canada's early industries and rail systems. Downtown Canmore, what we now know as Main Street, became the heart of it all. Shops, homes, and hotels sprang up to serve miners, travelers, and railway workers. It was a true frontier town, filled with determination and grit. Over time, as Alberta grew from a rugged prairie province into a modern economic hub, Canmore evolved with it. The coal mines closed, but the mountains and the spirit of the people remained. Slowly, the town shifted from mining to tourism, outdoor adventure, and community life. Today, Canmore stands as a perfect reflection of Alberta's journey, from hard work and resource roots to creativity, nature, and balance. It's a blend of history and harmony, where the past still whispers through the old wooden buildings, even as new shops and cafes bring fresh life to Main Street. And while downtown Canmore feels calm and peaceful, it's also deeply connected to the story of Canada itself. A story of exploration, resilience, and the simple beauty of finding home in the heart of the mountains. Every step through these streets reminds us how far this town and this country has come. From the coal dust of the 1800s to the clean mountain air of today, Canmore has grown quietly, proudly, and beautifully. And that brings us to the end of today's peaceful journey through Canmore. I hope you found calm and tranquility in these moments. If you enjoyed this peaceful walk, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more serene adventures. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep walking slowly and breathing deeply.